Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech IoT. So today we are going to see components in IoT. So let's begin. It is basic and important topic in IoT. So let's start with things or devices. Devices and sensor are components of device connectivity layer. The smart sensor continuously collecting data from environment and transmit this information to next layer. Common sensor are uses in IoT are temperature sensor, pressure sensor, humidity sensor, light intensity detector, moisture sensor, proximity detection, RFID tags. How these devices are connected? Most of modern smart devices and smart sensor can be connected to low power wireless network like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Z-Wave, LoRaWAN, etc. Next one is the IoT gateway. IoT gateway manages the bidirectional data traffic between network and protocols. Gateway to used to translate different network protocols and connected devices and sensors. IoT gateway take care about security for network and transmitting data into higher order encryption techniques. It acts as a middle layer between devices and cloud to protect system from malicious attack and unauthorized access. Third one is the cloud. Internet of Things create massive data from devices, application and user which has to be managed in efficient way. IoT Cloud offers tools to collect, process, manage and store data in real time. Industries and services can easily access this data remotely and make critical decisions where it is necessary. Cloud system integrates billions of devices, sensor, gateways, protocols, data storage and provides predictive analysis. Companies use this analytics data for improvement of product and services. IoT Cloud is a high-performance network for servers optimized to perform high-speed data processing of billions of devices, traffic management, and deliver accurate analytics. Fourth one is the analytics. Analytics is the process of converting analog data from billions of smart devices and sensors into useful insights, which can be interpreted and used for detailed analysis. One of the major advantages of efficient IoT system is real-time smart analytics. Big enterprise uses massive data collected from IoT devices and utilize insights for their future business. Information is very significant in business model and predict analysis for the future. Fifth one is the user interface. User interfaces are the visible part of the IoT system which can be accessible by users. Designers will have to make sure a well-designed user interference for minimum efforts for users and encourage more interaction. User interference design has higher significance in today's competitive market. It often determines the user whether to choose particular device or appliances. User will be interested to buy new devices, smart gadgets if it is very user friendly and compatible with common wireless standards. I hope you like this video and if you like then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comments. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.